my channel. My name is Ajbo Blessing and the name of my channel is BB Forex Trading Strategy. So guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you will trade with RSI, which you are seeing here now. You are going to trade with RSI 100, apply to close. Time our level is 50. We are going to also trade with awesome oscillator and our indicators on our main chart. So guys, let me show you guys the indicators first. The indicator in our main chart is fractal, guys. You click done. Then the second one is alligator. If you are old in this channel, you will know all this. We have 50, 10, 10, 10, smoothed, medium price, any color of your choice. You click done. So let's go to moving average 200, exponential, close, any color of your choice. You click done. So our window one, here we have relative strength index 100, apply to close, any color of your choice. Our level is 50. You put your color, you click done. In window 2 we have awesome oscillator, default settings, you click done. So let's go to our chart now, guys. So here is our chart. What are we looking at before we enter this trade, guys? We are looking at the main chart now. Our candles is above the moving averages on our main chart, showing us that it's buying. It's showing us that it's buying, and our RSI indicator is above the 50 level. That's a strong buy, guys. So what you'll be looking at is where you will enter your trade. For instance, had it be I enter my trade here, here is one good opportunity to enter your trade here. Here, the smallest awesome oscillator, and here is the smallest awesome oscillator here. Guys, I will enter my trade when this oscillator closes very small like this. I will enter for a buy because it's buying, guys. It's buying. So yeah, see where I enter my trade. Let me show you guys. Here is where I entered my trade. Here is where I entered my trade, guys. I entered very early. I couldn't wait because I know that it's buying. But if I want to enter this market, here is the place I will enter. I will enter from here, guys. I will enter from here. This is the smallest awesome oscillator candle, and our candlestick is above the moving average, and our RSI is above the 50 level. So guys, let's check if we can see sell trend. If we can see sell trend, this is volatility 50 index. Let's check. So guys, let's check. So guys, here is selling, here is super selling, and our RSI is below the 50 level. It's below the 50 level. So we'll find a place to enter our trade, guys. Find a place to enter our trade. Yes, guys, here is also a good place to enter your trade in this selling market. Here, see the dots. The last red awesome oscillator is very small. It closes very small. So I know that this trend is still going to sell. So I will enter my sell and put my stop loss somewhere here. That's where I'll put my stop loss and take the candlestick down. Let's check again if we see a very good opportunity. Here is also very good opportunity, guys. Here is also a very good opportunity. This is it here. The last candle here. I will take it. I'll put my stop loss and I'll enter this trade. I will enter the trade and take some candlestick because this is selling. There is no how you will lose your trade, guys. No how you will lose your trade, guys. So guys, I am making this video very short. In case if you are new to my channel, I have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And those that subscribe, I appreciate you guys all. I don't take it for granted. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Please share this video, like and comment down below. Thank you, and see you guys for my next video. Bye.